tears, pain. You never left my side, you remained the same. And I'm so glad that you love me. Hey guys, it's K-Shine Miller, and we are getting ready to jump right into this video. So I want you guys to focus on this line of demarcation that I have right up here, and it goes around my whole waistline to my back. So as you guys know, I've started a weight loss journey with my waist beads that my daughter now customizes, and it's been exactly 4 days because I put them on Monday. I won't really count Monday, and today is Friday. And guys, I want you to know, like, I'm not holding in my stomach or anything. Like, if I want to, now I'm holding in my stomach. So you see how much it dropped, but this is me not holding in my stomach. And look at the difference within 4 days. So like I told you guys in my first video, I want to be extremely transparent with you guys. I want you guys to be able to go with me on this journey. I am not going to keep doing updates like monthly. Like, I want you guys to be encouraged, and I want you guys to see how it works. I'm going to tell you guys what I am doing. So right now, for the past 4 days, literally my eating habits have completely changed. I want to say day one, it was so tight that I was literally like trying to really be careful with the things that I ate, because I didn't want it to get so tight and either one pop, which this won't pop, but I didn't want it to get so tight that I felt like it would pop, or I didn't want it to get so tight that it hurted me even more, because it was, I'm not gonna lie, it was really uncomfortable. But let me tell you something, that actually was something that really, really helped me and blessed me, because you know what? It taught me discipline. It taught me that when I felt my stomach getting full, that was enough. I needed to stop eating. I don't care how good the food is, how much I spent on it. I need to stop eating. And that's the problem we have. We continue to eat even when we're full, because for one reason, we want to finish our food, or we don't want to waste money. Well, if we start getting smaller portions, I think everything would be okay. So back to my weight loss. I just can't believe how much I can move them. Like, guys, this is insane. Like, totally insane. Look at this. And again, now I'm holding my belly in, and it drops. Oh my God, it almost can go to my, yeah. I'm definitely feeling these beats. Okay, so also, I am here because I have a new pair of beads. And once you check my daughter out on her Instagram, she offers 3 types of beads. The permanent waist beads, which are the ones that I have on here now, which comes with string. You tie the string, you burn it, and voila, you keep them on. Can't take them off unless you cut them. That's number 1. Number 2, she has the stretchy cords. You can put them on over your head, or you can step in on them. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really a fan of those because I'm big, and I feel like when I step in them, the beads are gonna go flying everywhere. So I don't want to really get involved with the stretch beads. But the last pair she has is the pair that has the barrel clasp. It's a little clasp I'm going to show you in a minute. And when I saw those, I said, those look like some I might be interested in. So guys, I have a new pair, and I am getting ready to go ahead and get them. Okay guys, so these are they. Okay, and let me just get a little close so you can see what they look like. Okay, this is like a brown amber, I want to say. Like a brown amber. And then this is so cute, guys. This little definition part goes in the middle. And I'm sorry, y'all, I'm out of breath. I literally ran up the stairs, down the stairs, then up the stairs to come back because I had to do something really quick. Wait, y'all know I'm fat. Hold on. Okay. All right, there we go. All right, so this is the middle part. It's not even the middle. I'm going to show you guys how it goes. It goes on the side, okay? So this has a couple of little white, they look like little white marshmallows. And then she has these beads in the middle are actually frosted. I don't know how well you guys can see them, but they're frosted. And then these are glass, amber. Okay, so if and when, because I'm speaking it into existence, you order your waist beads from my daughter, they will come just like mine do with this clasp, bare clasp, whatever. It screws on, as you can see, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put them on and show you guys what they look like, okay? And these, you have to give her your measurements because unlike the permanent ones, she just makes one size. Unless you need a plus size, she can make them a lot bigger. But our standard weight loss beads fit up to a waist size, I believe, 40. Yeah, 40, or at least like maybe a 38, 39, but somewhere in there. But I believe it's a 40 if I'm not mistaken, okay? So I have it screwed on, and I'm going to turn that all the way to the back, okay? I'm going to step back so you guys can see. So this little cute thing here, it goes on the side. Like, let me see. Y'all excuse me, I'm going to expose my little kangaroo pouch for a bit. Because my pants, I didn't want to wear black pants because I felt like if I wore black pants, you guys really couldn't see that good. So I wanted to wear some pants where you can actually see. Oh, and by the way, guys, I forgot to mention, yes, I have lost 2 pounds since the 4 days. Now, it could just be water weight. It could just be, you know, whatever. But however, the scale does read 2 pounds lighter. And I'm definitely feeling that, okay? So I'm trying to get my sexy back, y'all. I want this waist to be snatched. I want to look curvaceous and all of that. So again, this is what they look like here on the side, okay? Look like on the side. The other side is just plain, okay? And I have this crease in my belly button, guys, from always trying to cover up my stomach. But the thing that these waist beads have taught me within the last 4 days is to embrace who I am. Like, and I'm telling you, it's not that they're magical beads or anything like that, because I know that they're not, and I don't even believe that they are. However, it's just the feeling with having them on. You just feel, you know, you just feel like, you know, like this. You just feel like when you walk, you just feel, you know, you got your little beads on up under your clothes. I don't know. It's just a feeling. So I am going to probably go crazy and start stacking because I'm in love with them. I really and truly am. I am definitely in love. So I just wanted to keep you guys updated. If you have any questions, you could go ahead and ask me in the comment section. I really don't know how to link all of that stuff, like her Instagram information, but I will do my best with trying to find out and see what I can do so that it's easy for you guys to take a look at her page. Another thing I want to say is she does not like to do multiple pieces the same way. She's very creative, so she likes to just, you know, be told what colors, and she likes to just kind of do it on her own, which is a good thing because I'm the same way. You know, I like to wear things different than other people. I like to be, I'll go to the thrift store just so I can look different. You know what I mean? If I have an event to go to, because I don't want to look like everybody. I like to stand out, and my daughter's the same way. So, and she has an old soul. She's only 12 years old, but guys, she has an old soul. I'm telling you, sometimes when she do stuff, I'll be looking at her like, girl, are you 80 or are you 12? Because like, no, you know, but I have learned to let her do her thing and just embrace what she does. So yeah, guys, this is it. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe so that you can follow me on this journey. Like I said, I will just do random updates with days as I lose and as I'm getting my little sexy back and things like that. And yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys. Okay, so yeah, just make sure you check her out. Again, her Instagram is I love my waist, and I'll do my best at trying to link it in my my description. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you all for the love, for rocking with me, and I will see you all in my
I'm a brain till something happens.